Hey everyone, it's Lex with SurvivalGoGear. Today we wanted to show you guys a unique product, one that you probably haven't thought about, but you've seen at one point or another. This is called the fire blanket. We've got one set up for this video purpose right here in our kitchen. If you haven't heard of a fire blanket, it is a fire retardant that can be used to cover out and smother out fires. It is a great tool to have alongside your fire extinguisher. I don't know if you guys know, 72% of Americans that have fire extinguishers are expired because they don't check them or go back to them. Now, that's just what we've seen online. That's not a factual statement. That's just things that we've researched on. But if you guys have never seen this, this is a great tool to have. It's a great thing to have and to have a part of your house. So we want to show you guys how to use this in case of an emergency situation when you're in the kitchen, when you're cooking. Some of you guys may have experienced this and didn't know what to do, didn't have a fire extinguisher, and what you've done, you've taken the pan, ran it out through the house, and dumped it outside. But this is a safer way to smother that fire in case of that emergency in a safe manner. So we're going to do this video for you guys. Remember, don't do this at home. We're just doing it for video purposes, just to show you guys how to use it and how easy it is to use it. So stay tuned. Watch this. So let's say you're cooking dinner. You got a flame that comes up. Don't freak out that you've got a flame that's coming out over here. Don't run away with the pan. It's easy to use. You've got these two tabs right here. All you got to do is pull down. It comes out into a blanket format. And literally all you've got to do is stick this entire blanket over the pan. And it's going to smother out that fire just like that. Real easy to use. This is fire retardant, so it's not going to burn or anything like that. It's an easy and simple thing to do. It's easier than trying to grab a fire extinguisher or anything like that. All you got to do is pull those tabs, throw it on there, and extinguishes that fire. Much safer. You don't have to freak out. It's a great thing to have, a great thing to think about. You got the fire extinguished and it's safe. I just wanted to let you guys know the cool thing about this is, as you can see, this was over that flame. It didn't cause any damage to this. Yes, it charred it a little bit, but there's no actual physical damage to this blanket, which is super cool. So you can literally reuse this over and over and over. You don't have to go like a fire extinguisher to go get a recharge. Literally, this can be used over and over. You can just refold it back up, put it in this case right here, and you're set to go. Super cool thing to do. Another reminder, you guys, when you're in these situations, the first thing you want to do is shut off that stove. Now, for the video purposes, I did not have the stove turned on, but you want to shut off that stove. That's the first thing. You want to eliminate the fuel to the fire. But the second thing, the most important thing, don't freak out in those situations. Stay calm, collective, and cool. That way you have your wits about you, you know how to respond appropriately, and you'll be able to think through those processes in those emergency situations a lot better. We appreciate you guys watching this video. Again, let us know if this is something you guys would buy. Leave a comment down below. But we appreciate you guys. We love you guys. Until next time.